Welcome to the KeepTrack Tax Software Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product are available in the description below. KeepTrack is a tax software solution designed specifically for freelancers, small business owners, and independent contractors who need an efficient way to manage expenses, track income, and prepare for tax season. It combines simplicity with powerful features, making it a valuable tool for those juggling multiple streams of income or managing complex financial records. The standout feature of KeepTrack is its comprehensive income and expense tracking system. The software allows you to link your bank accounts or manually upload transactions, categorizing them automatically for tax purposes. This eliminates the hassle of sorting through receipts and spreadsheets. You can even set custom categories to tailor the system to your specific needs, ensuring every deduction is accounted for. KeepTrack's real-time reporting feature provides a clear picture of your taxable income and deductible expenses, giving you a better grasp of your tax obligations throughout the year. For freelancers and businesses with mileage expenses, KeepTrack also offers an integrated mileage tracking tool. Using GPS, the app can record trips and calculate the exact deductible mileage for your tax return. This is particularly useful for users who frequently travel for work and want to maximize their deductions without extra effort. Additionally, KeepTrack provides tax estimates based on your income and expenses, helping you avoid surprises when it's time to file. Another strong point of KeepTrack is its user-friendly interface. Designed for non-accountants, the software simplifies tax management with an intuitive layout and straightforward language. It also integrates seamlessly with major tax filing platforms, making the transition from preparation to filing smooth and efficient. Overall, KeepTrack is ideal for individuals and small businesses looking for an all-in-one tool to streamline tax preparation and expense tracking. Whether you're self-employed or running a side hustle, KeepTrack ensures you stay organized and compliant. For more details, check the links in the description and see if KeepTrack is the right fit for your tax needs.